Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. It really helps out the channel a lot and keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But now, let's get right in today's content. As always, a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Looking at the overall crypto market cap, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $858.8 billion, but we are down 3.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 36.8%. Looking across the board, another day and more continuous bloodbath across the board. As you guys can see, over the last 24 hours, the majority of the cryptocurrency market has retraced over the past 24 hours, and that's mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is still in the shaky end of the spectrum. If you are a regular viewer on my channel, I've been mentioning this on a continuous basis, and this does not come as a surprise to me right now. But today, guys, I want to focus on one project I absolutely love, and this project is none other than Terra Luna Classic. So let's get right into that. All right, my Terra Luna Classic family, if we are looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic right now, it is currently trading at 0.00017 cents. It's down 5.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 2.9 in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. One thing I do want to point out for you guys is that the overall rank of Terra Luna Classic in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 39 spot, and according to my last update, we have pulled down 2 to 3 spots in the overall ranking. Market cap is currently sitting at $1.19 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 120 million. But now, before we jump into the charts and see what exactly is going on with the price of Terra Luna Classic, I want to share very, very positive news, very bullish news with you guys for the Terra Luna community. So let's waste no more time and get right into that for you guys. As you guys can see, the block tweeted this. Luna Foundation Guard says it spent $2.8 billion to defend UST peg. Let me repeat that again. Luna Foundation Guard says it spent $2.8 billion to defend UST peg. And now you may be saying, so what? Why does this even matter? We still had a massive collapse. I will share as to why I believe this is positive and why this could positively impact the price of Terra Luna Classic in the upcoming months. So, Luna DAO posted this. It says, audit of Terra Luna Classic crash. A massive audit has happened. I will leave the link in the description box below. I want you guys to strongly take a look into this. It's very, very interesting. Proves TFL LFG burned through 3.4 billion defending UST and 600 million plus personal funds. So basically what they're saying right now is that the entire collapse that we saw happen for the price of Terra Luna Classic earlier this year was not due to Do Kwon. And a lot of people were saying, Do Kwon is behind this, which, to be quite honest, investors are, to be fair, they are eligible to say that, because that was a massive collapse, really did shake out the crypto space. But this audit has really proved that instead of them being behind this, they were the ones that were trying to save UST. And that is a positive news, because that sheds a light that these guys are not the bad guys after all, and there's a lot of FUD that's happening. But we cannot compare this with FTX, because what happened with FTX is absolutely unacceptable. FTX is, that entire collapse is extremely scary. And, I strongly believe that they need to have, either a regulation or an entity watching, these exchanges, especially where people trade their funds. That are these exchanges really holding these funds, or are they going against their users and using these funds for their own personal gain? And what happened with FTX is absolutely unacceptable, and what the owner did is criminally scary, and he should be held accountable and should be taken into custody without a doubt. Playing with people's hard-earned money, this is not cool. But with Terra Luna Classic, it says not only did Do Kwon TFL not rug the Terra Luna Classic community, but they used everything to defend it in their final hour. And this goes to show that, these were some people with the wrong mind, the wrong intention behind this attack. And it was not Daquan himself. They saw a flaw and they took advantage of it, and the entire price of Terra Luna Classic collapsed. But now if you are looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic right now, again, according to my last update, it's still holding perfectly at this level of support. And that is something nice to see. I like the fact that it is holding at this level of support, and that's one thing that we do need to see the price doing. Because if I be quite honest with you guys, if we do lose this level of support, we could be in for a little bit of more downward trend. And right now, Bitcoin is definitely not helping. Bitcoin is sitting at 16.5. And you guys know my stance on the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to be above $22,000. I've been sounding like a broken record at this point since June. I've been saying, we need to see the price of Bitcoin above this level of resistance for me to even be excited. And currently right now, that is far than where we're at right now. And in order for the price of Bitcoin to be in the safe end of the spectrum, we do need to be at least in the 78.6. And even then, I'm not excited at all. But that is better than where it is at right now. And right now, we never know. We could open up tomorrow, as we go into Thursday morning, we could see a price of a Bitcoin dump. Would not be surprised. This is extreme whale manipulation happening. And, I still strongly believe that the price of Bitcoin has more downwards momentum to go, because clearly right now, bears are winning. FTX massive collapse that has happened really pushed down a lot of people, especially retail people and institutional investors, away from crypto. And we've been pushed like 3 to 4 years behind. And that does not help the space, unfortunately. But again, the people that go through this are the ones that are going to make it initially. I've seen things happen like this over and over again. Right now, at this point, I'm honestly immune to it. But obviously, the new people that are coming into the space are not like that. But right now, like I said, the price of Terra Luna Classic is holding quite strong, but I do expect it to start moving towards this level of resistance at that 0.000215 cents mark, especially after this massive news that has come out. But I do believe Bitcoin needs to stabilize before that. If the price of Bitcoin stabilizes, I do expect that we are going to start seeing Terra Luna Classic start upwards trend once again, and that is going to cause a lot of excitement. We know what has happening. We know who's backing Terra Luna Classic. All the major exchanges are backing this project once again, and I do believe that the year of 2023 is going to be massive. Despite this fact, we have seen a massive dump in the price of Terra Luna Classic. Let's not forget. Let's not forget that the price is still the overall market cap, the valuation of Terra Luna Classic is still at $1.2 billion, even after having a massive, correction. So please keep these things in consideration. And obviously, at the end of the day, only time is going to tell. Always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence when you're investing in crypto. But let me know if you guys are enjoying these updates, and let me know where you could see the price of Terra Luna Classic go at the beginning of 2023. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.